Hi everyone! We are going to do a science lesson today on items found around the home that either sink or float in water. So, I have found 5 items around my home and I'm going to see if they sink or if they float in water. So, I will show you what I have found. So, I have found a plastic lid. I have found a metal lid. It's metal. I have found a plastic container. And I have found a glass jar. And last but not least, I found this duck here. So we are going to see whether these items sink or they float. So what I have done is filled up my sink with water. You can see I filled it up with water. Here's the water line. It's a little tricky to see, but I'll put in a little bit more water. Okay, that looks good. So now I'm going to take my items and see if they sink or float. So my first item is the plastic lid. Do you think it's going to sink or float? Okay, let's see. Putting it in the water, and it seems to float. Okay. My next item is a metal lid. Do you think it's going to sink or float? Let's see. Oh wow, that also floats. Do you see it floating in the water? Okay. My next item, I'm going to try the glass jar. Do you think it is going to sink or float? Let's see. Oh, wow. It sunk. Why do you think it sank to the bottom? It's very heavy. So I think that's why it sank to the bottom of the sink. All right, my next item is a plastic container. Do you think it's going to sink or float? And look, it floats. Why do you think it floats? It's pretty light. And last but not least, the duck. Do you think the duck is going to sink or float? Let's see. Oh, it kind of sinks. It's kind of sinking and floating at the same time. So maybe it sinks and floats. Oh no, tipped over. Okay, well, see if you can find items from your home and fill up your sink with some water and see if they sink or if they float. All right, well, have fun with that. Bye.